Right then, do you want to start? Go on, do your first one. I know, I'm a bit nervous. Right, I'm going to spin it now. First time. Spinning. See what we get. Tart spices. What we getting? What we get? Something nice. Right leg. Spin again. Drum roll. I know the stream's a bit behind, ain't it? Safe, safe, safe. I'm safe for 5 minutes. They'll all be good. They'll all be going mad now. They'll all say it's a fix. I'll spin it again for the first one for you. See what we get this time. No, not the eyebrow. Not first. Not the first one. I wanted my leg or something on my arm. I've never done it before. It's going to kill. Oh no.
Okay, rub it on.
Wait. Don't just pull.
You have to.
Yeah, well, give me a second.
That's not hurting. I've only put it on. Ready?
No.
Ready?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
One whole eyebrow.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
I thought you said it didn't hurt.
Right, I'm going to spin. Oh, come on. Come on, something simple. You dare! You dare!
Well, the rest is coming off now.
You can't believe it, can you?
Come on, let's get the rest off.
I can't believe it, honestly.
Okay.
Whoa. Give me a second. Go on then, do it. Do it.
I'm going. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Did it come off? Let me see.
Oh!
Let me see. No,
Ah!
it's still there. I can't get it.
Oh! Well, you're not doing it twice. I'll spin it again. Fix. Look, come on, don't worry, fix. Rigged.
Oh, you're in trouble.
Oh no!
You're in trouble.
Oh,
mate.
you're having a laugh at me.
Left eyebrow.
I can't believe this. I bet that's not a fix now again, is it? Wait.
Stop jumping.
Just a minute.
Moving it. Stop moving.
No, I'm not ready. But you're going to have to do it, ain't you? 1,
2, 3.
Bitch.
1.
Okay.
1, 2.
Ah!
I felt that one. Let me see. Let me see. Come on.
It hasn't come off.
It hasn't come off. The wax off, but not your eyebrow. Your eyebrow hair.
You went
ain't
1,
coming out.
2 and put, where's 3?
I did say 1, 2, 3 and
You know,
I
in 1, 2 and pulled. 3 would have been nice to give me a chance to prepare. Here we go.
Oh.
Come on.
Left armpit. That's gonna hurt, mate.
Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm trying to stick it on you, just hang on. No, you don't want it like that. Do you want the whole lot off then?
Well, I don't know. He's gonna be...
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Don't.
4, 3, 2, 1. Or 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just don't. Don't tell me.
Just whip it. Whip it up or whip it down. Upwards.
Don't leave me in suspense.
1, 2, 3.
You can. You can. You can.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Spin it again. Let's see. That's stinging, man. Oh, that's really hurting.
Forward two.
Forward two spaces. Chest. Don't go forward. You can't go on all the hair.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's perfect. Hold on.
Okay.
Make sure everyone can see. That's perfect.
God, you're sweating, mate. 1, 2, 3.
You cow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh,
You cow.
get down. The dog. I'm just going to bite you in a minute.
No, you're gonna... Oh, you.
You wanted to go through this. Ready? 1, 2.
You come.
Panicking. You're moving too much. 1.
You just pull it down.
I'm trying to pull it. Get your skin off.
Don't you dare do it slow.
Get down. The dog ain't gone. But move. No. I don't know who's the worst baby, you or the dog.
Don't do it slow like that.
Stop moving or I'll have to pin you down. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, no. Oh. We can't see it with the light. I'm dying. Right, I'm going to spin again. Don't forget to stand on anything we've done. I'll check it off. You dare land on that. You dare.
Wax twice. You don't look much today, mate. If it lands on your eyebrows, you have to take that one out. You just have to shave them off again. Oh, your arms are so hairy. Your
Right arm
so
twice.
Hairy. Right arm twice. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Good and proper this time. That was a proper one. Yes, that was a proper one. Did you hear that?
What are you doing?
Twice, remember?
Yeah, but you don't have to push down that hard, do you?
Yeah, we do. Getting all the hair on. Not pushing it down hard, I'm just trying to get it on.
I think you heard that one up in Scotland.
Did you hear it?
Sounds like a pirate. No.
Oh dear.
Go no down, Max. Good girl. We should have a slow-mo sound on.
Did it raise that really nice sound? You've got tears in your eyes, man.
No.
Ready? You breathing?
Go on.
1, 2, 3. Nice and bare. That's good one, that was. Yes.
I'll spin again. Yeah. I should have done that from the start. We moved them as I've done, shouldn't I?
I said that.
Yeah, I didn't think. 1, 2, 3 in the chat. Hit that like button. This is absolutely the best. Oh, you needed that, Alison. I'm glad it's chewed you up, Bab. Really am.
Left leg.
Left leg.
I've
got cramp in this leg now.
Don't make excuses. Come on.
No.
I've heard excuses, but that just tastes me. Come on, mate. Be a big brave boy. Ready? Can they all see?
They can see. They can't see your head, but they can see.
I'm not bothered if they can't see my hair. Can they see the wax strip?
You make sure you pull it in one go. Don't do 2 and 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Where you jumping
Don't.
for? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you...
Ah! Don't swear. There's children watching. Go on, spin.
Oh.
Squid
This is
Games.
how we do Squid Games. Oh. No, I kept that one up as well.
What is it? Twice. Spin twice.
No,
What? Wax twice. Go on then. Spin.
we said we'll keep that one up, didn't we? Because then whichever one comes on
Yeah.
can be waxed twice.
Yeah.
So I can't
Leave
remove
one on.
that.
No, you can't remove that. If it's eyebrow, you can remove it. 'Cause we've already
Yeah,
done that.
can move eyebrow. Oh. Better not be twice again. That's gone. It's left arm, because it'll even be back one space.
So left arm twice.
Left arm twice. I think we should do a poll. You decide. Lisa, I'm not leaving you to nothing.
Ready?
No, wait a minute. Let me get prepared. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
That hurt more than that one.
Did it?
Ah!
It's got
Ah! Ah!
You agreed twice.
Ah! You just do it.
No,
just,
you're moment. I'll go to do it. You're like, oh, not yet,
yeah,
not yet.
just get it done. Oh.
Let's just get it done.
Ah!